This fall quarter will look different as we begin a new school year.
Virtual lectures, study groups, and recreation classes.
Physically distant hangouts.
Working asynchronously, independently, or in different time zones.
Campus won't be busy, and the bike path won't be buzzing.
But Storke Tower's bells will keep ringing.
And the sun will keep rising off Campus Point.
Wherever we are, we'll continue to overcome obstacles, be leaders, and seek excellence this upcoming school year.
Remember, you're never alone. We're all part of UC Santa Barbara's creative and collaborative community.
Whatever challenges come our way,
our experience will be defined by what we make of it.
Let's keep working together and help each other out.
We'll make the best of it. It's just what Gauchos do.